Hey guys, Kevin here with Blocker Outdoors. Hey, spring turkey season's right around the corner, and I'm really excited today to talk to you about the Finisher Pro 2 turkey vest from Blocker Outdoors. So coming in at just 3 pounds, this vest offers a great lightweight solution for this spring in the turkey woods. Some of my favorite features that we have in this vest are that ultra lightweight design and also the mesh breathability panels that we use throughout. So even though it is that classic vest design, we offer you great breathability through the full back center section here with perforated padding, as well as mesh through the straps section and right above the call pockets for great airflow. Starting from kind of top down here, talk to you about a couple slash pockets that we do fully zippered. Now that's great for extra diaphragm calls, whether you want to store a cell phone, rangefinder, what have you, anything you want to make sure is really nice and secure. Put them right in those top pockets and keep them zipped up. Moving down, we have a great pocket here for 3 strikers, as well as interior pocket inside the flap there for extra diaphragm calls. Hold up to 3 of those, as well as additional kind of grab and go storage within the main body of that pocket. Right below that, we've got our shotgun shell holder pocket. So this is going to hold a total of 5 shells, as well as, again, kind of that extra sized pocket for any other accessories that you want to keep inside of there with your shotgun shells. Moving over here, we've got a custom design pocket that's just for your box call. So your box call will go in there. It's got a slot for your paddle so you won't have any noise, as well as an extra cinch on the exterior so you can cinch it down really good. Make sure you're running from spot to spot that thing's not going to make any noise. Right below that, probably one of my favorite features is this thing will hold a total of 4 friction calls. So within the interior of these pockets, we use a really nice padded felt material that will keep those 2 calls separated, so you get a total of 2 calls in each pocket there, so a total of 4. And moving around to the back of the vest, so this is one area where we made sure not to skimp, right? We knew that those long day hunts, those long sits, waiting that gobbler, if he hangs up on you, everyone gets really annoyed with a really skimpy thin pad. So we put a nice 3-inch that has a great memory to it as far as the seat goes. Right after that, we have our extra large blood-proof line game bag. So obviously great for hauling out a bird after a successful hunt, or another great feature of this that I like to use it is hauling in extra decoys or any other things that I'm hauling out there into the woods with me. So just easy clip back up. Then you also have the ability to adjust that strap on the back.